In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an AI image generated in Filmora. If you've already created your AI image inside Filmora, the rest is quick and straightforward. You'll likely see that image sitting in your media bin or project panel. If it isn't on your timeline yet, simply drag it down so it becomes part of your project. Having it on the timeline ensures Filmora knows exactly what you want to export. Click the image clip on the timeline to select it. This lets you make any last-minute adjustments before exporting. You can resize it in the preview window to fit your frame the way you want, and you can adjust the duration of the clip if you plan to export as a video. The duration won't affect a pure image export, but it's handy if you go the video route. When you're ready, look to the top right corner and click Export. This opens the export window where all the output settings live. Here's the key decision. If you only want the AI image as a still file rather than a video, choose the local export option. In the format area, look for image formats such as PNG or JPG. PNG is great for preserving detail and any transparency, while JPG produces a smaller file size if you don't need transparency. If your version of Filmora doesn't offer image formats in the export panel, don't worry. Export it as a video, typically MP4, and plan to extract a single frame afterward. Any standard method works for that, whether it's using a snapshot feature within an editor or a media player that can save a frame. The important part is that your image fills the frame the way you want before you export. Next, set your resolution. Choose 1080p for a solid balance of quality and size, or go with 4K if you need maximum detail. Make sure the resolution matches how you compose the image in the preview to avoid unintended cropping. Select your save location so you know exactly where the file will land, and give the export a clear name that helps you find it later. Click Export again to start rendering. Filmora will process the file and show you progress while it works. Once it's finished, open the output folder you selected. If you export it as an image, you'll see your AI generated still ready to use. If you export it as a video, open that file and extract the single frame you need. And that's it. Your AI image is now saved and ready for sharing, design work, or any project you have in mind.